Storm Team 29 forecast.
A lot of sunshine, a pretty nice day here on this Thursday. There's the view right now from our Charlottesville camera. The sun will set this evening at 8:10, and most locations did top out in the mid to upper 60s. The airport hit 70 today. We were 69 here in downtown Charlottesville, 68 currently. We had some wind gusts today over 20. Right now in the Shenandoah Valley, 64 there at the Valley Airport, 65 the afternoon high. And it did in some locations dip to right around freezing this morning in portions of the Shenandoah Valley, but most of us were not seeing those temperatures, but nonetheless we will this weekend, unfortunately. Hey, tonight is the full moon. It occurred early this morning as it was setting, so when the moon rises this evening at 8:40, you'll still get a chance to see it. The May full moon is also known as the flower moon or the planting moon, and it happens to be the last super moon of this year. We had one in March and April and now May. It just has to deal with its close proximity to the Earth, but again, you'll get a chance to see it here tonight. Temperatures overnight primarily in the middle 40s. We start clear, but clouds will start to build in toward morning, so partly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, the clouds thicken up pretty early and temperatures in the low and mid 60s. By afternoon, the rain arrives, and overall rainfall amounts through tomorrow night, generally between a quarter upwards to half an inch of rainfall. Then the temperatures crash, and a matter of fact, we have an ongoing freeze warning for late tomorrow night into Saturday morning for the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Shenandoah Valley. A freeze watch is up for portions of central Virginia, and that will likely be adjusted with time. But look what happens to temperatures by early Saturday morning. You're talking about numbers at or below freezing in the Shenandoah Valley, the Blue Ridge Mountains, and very close to that here across central Virginia. So yeah, the freeze potential is real. So make sure if you do have interest in terms of crops or gardens, you take precautions. These are the record lows for Saturday morning and Sunday morning at McCormick Observatory. Those go back to 1947. And those could be challenged. There will be some record-breaking lows here this weekend. So temperatures tomorrow in the low to middle 60s. Here comes the rain by afternoon. After a cold start Saturday morning, it's cool and breezy. We're in the 50s. Another cold start for Mother's Day morning, and then temperatures back in the middle 60s with a lot of sunshine for Mother's Day. Things are quiet tonight on NBC29's exclusive dual-pole triple Doppler radar. The next storm system is quickly moving out of the plain states, and this frontal boundary will be working in our direction. Behind it will usher in a Canadian air mass, and that sets the stage for the cold temperatures here for the start of the weekend. Temperatures right now are primarily in the 60s. Again, the jet stream has been persistent with a trough here in the east, and we get another resurgence of that colder air to start the weekend before temperatures maybe rebound by the middle of next week. In the morning, we start in the 40s. The clouds thicken up pretty quickly, and then here comes the showers, more steadier rain by tomorrow evening. You can't even rule out a few snowflakes on the ridge tops of the Blue Ridge late tomorrow night. We start in the 30s Saturday morning. It'll be a cool and breezy day Saturday with temperatures in the 50s. Tonight, clear to partly cloudy, chilly, middle 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Just go ahead and think March. That's the current weather that's being served up. Some cold mornings here this Mother's Day weekend with that freeze and frost potential, and maybe by the middle of next week, temperatures get back to more seasonable levels for May. Steve?
Eric.